Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve question number 1 of weekly contest 485 vowel consonant score. So let's read the problem statement. You are given a string S consisting of lowercase English letters, spaces and digits. Let V be the number of vowels in S and C be the number of consonants in S. A vowel is one of the letters A, E, I, O or U, while any other letter in the English alphabet is considered a consonant. The score of a string S is defined as follows. If the consonant is greater than 0, the score is going to be the floor value of V divided by C, where floor denotes the rounding down to the nearest integer. Otherwise, the score is going to be 0. We have to return an integer denoting the score of a string. So now if you see this example number 1, so in example number 1, if you just calculate the number of vowels, so number of vowels are 1, 2, 3, 4. So total number of vowels are 4 and number of consonants are 1 and 2. So here in this case, just do V divided by C. So in Java code, we can simply write this. It is automatically going to give you the floor value. You don't need to explicitly mention this floor, because in Java, when you divide 5 with 2, you are going to get 2. You are not going to get 2.5 as the output if you take int, correct? So we can simply divide. So in this case, just calculate this and calculate this value and just get this output. That's it. And in the constants, you see s dot length is from 1 to 100 and s consists of lowercase English letters, spaces and digits. Don't forget these two. Now see this example number 2. So vowels are a, e, I, O, U, 5 vowels, and consonants are 1, 2, 3, 3 consonants are there. So V divided by C, if you do, so 5 divided by 3, you will automatically get 1. That's it in code, Java code. Don't need to mention this math.floor, anything like that. And now here, if you see, good example. So A and U are vowels. This is a space. This is not a consonant. This is not a consonant. This is not a consonant. So consonant is 0. So if consonant is 0, just return 0. The string S contains no consonant. C is equal to 0. So the score is 0. So I will show you now two approaches. First approach is very simple. So these are the vowels we have and these are the consonants we have. And here I'm just going to calculate the vowel count and consonant count. Then here I'm iterating over all the values in my string S, over all the characters one by one. And first I'm going to check if this particular character is there in my vowels string or not. So vowels dot index of character. So if this is there, then I will just get the index. If I don't get anything, any index, so that simply means it is going to match with the -1 value. It is not going to match with the -1 if that particular vowel is here. So right now, uh, I'm saying here in the code, if I don't find this particular character in my vowels, so in that case you have to skip it. But if I found that particular character, so I will get some index. So these are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will get some value like this, not -1. So if it is not matching, in that case just increment the vowel count. And then if there is, if this particular character is not a vowel, then just check if it is a consonant. So in that case you have to check in the consonant string. So consonant dot index of ch is not equal to -1. So if I get some index, that simply means this value is not going to be equal to -1. So that simply means it is a going to consonant. So this way I have to count the vowel count and consonant count. And here in the end, just check if consonant count is greater than 0. In that case, you have to return this simply or 0. That's it. So this is your approach 1. So time complexity for this approach is going to be of n only, since you are iterating over your string. Now see this approach 2. It's also very simple. Vowel count and consonant count. Again I'm iterating. And here simple if condition. If character is A, E, I, O, U, that simply is vowel. And in the else part I'm checking if C value of this particular character, if it is greater than A and less than Z. So in Java, char is actually a number, Unicode value. So for lowercase letters, A is from 97, B is 98. So that's why we can check it like this. Z is up to 122. So vowel scenario I already handled here. So if this is not a vowel, then again I'm going to check if this particular character exists in this. So in that case, just increment the consonant, because we don't need to count the spaces or numbers. So once this is done, then again same formula, consonant count is greater than 0, then vowel count divided by consonant count, otherwise 0. So this approach is also going to take off and time complexity. So that's it. So I hope that you guys are able to understand question number 1 of weekly contest 485. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.